Today, we're going to do a portfolio update video, but before we do that, if you're new here and you never see my channel, my name is Elliot and I upload videos about investing, the stock market, and I do portfolio update videos just like this one. So if that's something you enjoy, please consider subscribing. I upload videos just like this every 2 weeks. So my phone should be coming up right about now, and looking down at the 1 week, I'm up $137.40 or 2.23%. 1 month, I'm up $300.14 or 4.99%. 3 month chart, I'm up $780.54 or 14.11%. Year to date, I'm up $928.08 or 17.24%. 1 year, I'm up $1,163.57 or 22.61%. And all time, I'm up $2,301.31 or 57.42%. Going down to the stocks I own. First up is Apple. I have 5 shares. Average cost is $85.71. I am up $750 and I have 173% return. And year to date, Apple's doing very well, up 25%. And Apple is a company I dollar cost average into every single month. I really like Apple. You can see they have a dividend yield of 0.41%. So I do like that Apple has plenty of room to grow that dividend yield in the future. After Apple, we have Microsoft. I have 1 share. Average cost is $185.44. I'm up $329.76 or 142%. Year to date, they're up 20%. And similar to Apple, they have a dividend yield of 0.65%. And again, they have plenty of room to grow their dividend in the future as well. Amazon, year to date, they're up 27%, almost 28%. So Amazon's doing very well this year. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $110.92. I'm up $181.10 or 74%. After Amazon is United Health. And United Health is actually up a lot today. I have 0.67 shares. Average cost is $510. I'm up $26.39 or 7%. Visa. I have 1 share. Average cost is $233.66. I'm up $51.98 or 15%. And Visa is a stock that I've been dollar cost averaging into a little bit more lately. Before the year's over, I really want to have this up to 2 shares. So I'm buying this company every single month. Year to date, they're kind of, well, they're not as up as much as you'd like. They're up almost 4%. Looking down at their dividend yield, they have a 0.75%, so they have plenty of room to grow their dividend yield in the future. After Visa, we have Starbucks. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $78.50. I'm down $9.44 or 4%. Year to date, Starbucks has it kind of rough, down 21%, which might be a good time to pick up a few shares. I can get my average cost down a little bit. Dividend yield, they have a dividend yield of 3.08%. After Starbucks, we have Waste Management. I have 1 share. Average cost is $105.88. I'm up $132.44 or 108%. And Waste Management is one that kind of shocks me a little bit that I'm up over 100%. Year to date, they're up almost 25%. Looking down at their dividend yield, they have a dividend yield of 1.34%. After Waste Management is Coca-Cola. I have 3 shares. Average cost is $50.39. I'm up $46.80 or 27%. And not going to get any crazy growth out of Coca-Cola, just a dividend play here. Next up, Pepsi, another good dividend stock. I have 1 share. Average cost is $175.73. I'm down $12.54 or 6%. After Pepsi, we have Fastenal. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $45.62. I am up $52.22 or 51%. After Fastenal, we have Bank of America. And Bank of America is up a lot today, up 5%. Year to date, they're up 32%. So Bank of America, they're doing very well this year. I have 4 shares. Average cost is $26.26. I'm up $72.93 or 68%. AbbVie. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $138.44. I'm up $63.25 or 35 cents or 22%. And I do have a dividend coming in from AbbVie for $3.22. Abbott. I have 1 share. Average cost is $102.19. I'm up 58 cents. Not even a full percent. Pretty much break even on this stock right now. I do have a dividend coming in for 56 cents for Abbott. Year to date, they're down 6%. I haven't bought no Abbott, and aside from reinvesting my dividends, I haven't bought none in a while. Eventually, I want to get all my shares in my portfolio to at least 2. I've been slowly trying to do that this year, just dollar cost averaging, and they have been building up. After Abbott, we have American Water. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $140.24. I'm down $2.29. Pretty much break even on this stock as well. Year to date, they're up 6%, so not doing too bad for the year. VanEck Semiconductor ETF. Year to date, they're up 58%. I have 2 shares. Average cost is $158.94. I'm up $233.32 or 72%. Going down to some of their holdings, you can see there's a lot of big names. Nvidia, Intel, AMD. They do have an expense ratio of 0.35%. And this is an ETF I've been dollar cost averaging into every month too. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I have 1 share. Average cost is $107.07. I'm up $19.15 or 15%. And Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Year to date, they're up 19%, getting close to 20. I have 1 share. Average cost is $357.56. I'm up $223.61 or 45%. And that's the last stock that I own. So if you enjoyed the video, please take the time to give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments below. What stocks are you guys buying? And also, what's your thoughts on my portfolio? And we'll see you in the next video.